see what we have. Anti-snoring first aid, mysnoringsolution.com. It's cute. First aid. Take it out of the packaging here. Okay, so what do we have here? We have a CD. Feature story, mysnoringsolution.com, American Medical Review. So we have that. We have here, looks to be the manual of sorts, nice and large. 7 steps for sleep success. Okay, have to read that. And we have the actual strap. This is a size medium. There were 3 sizes, if my memory serves. There was large size, small, and medium. I went with the medium. Let's see. Paid a nice amount of money for this. So, interesting piece here. If you're mysnoringsolution.com, it's 100% polyester. The lining is 81% nylon, 19% spandex, size medium. I'm going to put this around my face, and I'm going to leave, obviously, room for breathing. It's supposed to position my mouth in a way where it eliminates snoring. We're going to give it a test. We're going to see how it works. We'll see if it's comfortable, and we'll report back.